Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about equation of a circle. As before we talked about 13 terminologies, now we will review for this formula. Let's take A and B be any one point. One such formula is the sum of squares is equal to the square radius. We write x squared plus y squared equals the radius squared. For example, if the radius is unity, we write x squared plus y squared equals 1. Also, if we take center as 2 and 1, compared to the origin, the distance between two circles is about 2.24 units, according to the centers of the circle. If the radius is not equal, then it is an ellipse, at least containing two foci. Its semi-major axis is 2a, and the semi-minor axis is 2b. The formula returns into x minus a in the entire squared, plus y minus b in the entire squared, equal to square of radius. That is an equation of an ellipse. For about parametric form, this uses the trigonometric functions sine and cosine as follows. X equals a plus r cosine t, and y equals b plus r sine t, where t is a parametric variable in the range 0 to 2 pi. If you substitute the x and y values in the equation of circle taken from parametric form, this equation reduces to a squared plus b squared plus 2r times a cosine t plus b sine t equal to 0. For example, if t equals 0 or 2 pi, the equation is obtained as a squared plus b squared plus 2ar equal to 0. If you use t equals pi by 2 instead, we get a squared plus b squared plus 2br equal to 0. It is dependent on the radius r. In the absence of radius, if you suppose, that becomes a squared plus b squared equals 0. It is therefore proven incorrectly, so you can't see a formation of circle, just a point. For one thing about alternative parametrization, we can substitute cosine t as 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared, and sine t as 2t over 1 plus t squared, just like we do the same way, where t can be either 0, or 1, or 2, or 3 and so on. For example, if t equals 0, then a squared plus b squared plus 2ar equal to 0, like the same ones with 2rb. Thus, the ratio of t to r can be interpreted geometrically as the stereographic projection of the line passing through the center parallel to the x-axis. So now we have briefly discussed about equation of circle. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.